The Clean Technology Investment Tax Credit is a tax credit for businesses to reduce the tax that they would pay. So basically, you install a solar array or a electric vehicle charging system over 10 kilowatts or a battery energy storage system on your building or your site. And then next year on your tax return, you apply for the investment tax credit. It's going to be 20 to 30% of your capital cost, and you'll get that taken off your taxes. We go from, a 7, 8, or 9 year payback, take 1/3 of that off. So you'd be kind of looking at like a 4, 5, or 6 year payback. Inferno Solar will help you apply for any and all rebates that you might be eligible for. We are intimately aware of like each program as they come and go. This Clean Technology Investment Tax Credit is through your tax return. So a lot of the heavy lifting will be performed by the business's accounting firm, but we're certainly there to support.